again to my kitchen. This is Julie's Kitchen. How you guys doing? Hope you are staying safe. Hope you are doing well. Well, we thank God for everything. You are welcome once again to my kitchen. My returning subscribers, I welcome you all. My new subscribers, I also welcome you. And if you are joining me for the first time, please don't skip my video without subscribing to my channel. Just press the notification bell and to get notice of any new video I upload and join the Julie's Kitchen family. You are welcome. So in today's cooking series, I will be making the fruit juice, the homemade fruit juice. Like I said earlier, I will be making the homemade fruit juice, and I'm making orange juice. I'm making also the ash fruit, which I will be using lemon, carrot, and orange. Then the green juice for weight loss and to burn your stomach fat. So this one I'm using the celery, lemon, cucumber, and parsley. So this is what I'm also having lemon to eat. So this is what I'm going to use to make the green fruit juice. So let's get started. So now I've already washed my fruits. I just want to peel the orange and start the blending with my fruit extractor. So let me peel my orange. So now just peeling my orange, then I'll start making the juice. Wow, I love natural fruit juice that they sell in the supermarket. This one is more better and it's more healthy than the artificial ones they have in the supermarket. So that's why sometimes I normally make them myself instead of buying from the supermarket. Though I do buy from the supermarket anyway. But I know that I don't. Whatever I do, but I prefer this one. This one is more better. It's more better. It's natural, no sugar, and I like the taste. So I'm almost through. It's my peeling. And I'll start extracting the juice from it. So let's get started. I'm going to use this to finish my fruit. So now let's start so right now I'm going to start extracting the fruits. This is my fruits, my juice extractor. I'm using this. So I put this cellophane here so that the thing will not get, it won't stain. The trash, it won't stain the machine. That's why I do this one. So after everything, I'll just remove this one and just take it out. So that is it. So right now I'm about to start. one is full, so I have to turn it here. Now, this is the orange juice. I want to put it here now. Wow. So, I'm done with this. This one, I'm going to do the hash fruits. So now I'll be adding. I'm coming. Wow. So right now I'm going to make the hash orange juice, adding carrot and lemon to it. So this is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to be blending the carrot.
Island Condiments. Condiments.
Wow. So right now I'm going to turn my orange, my hash fruits. Let me put it here. So fortunately there's not enough glass yet. Some response yet. Okay, right now I'm going to remove all this. You see how the thing is just going to the rubber, so this is how I'm going to remove it later and throw it away. So I want to remove all this one so that I will start my grape juice. I don't want all this one to be here. Okay. So okay. Let me assume I'm still going to. There's this space for it, so I can just tap over like this. But I think there's this space. Okay. So right now I'm going to start blending my cereal and my, first of all I have to put the lemon. Let me cut it. Okay. And the cereal, so this one also, because I'm going to use this as a design, so let me just do that. Take off this out. Yeah. So now, as you can see now, I'm going to take out the shelf so I can clean and wash my blender. So, like I told you, I have this cellophane toy so that when I want to remove it, this one will not be dirty. So, just to take it out like this, you see. So, that is it. So, these are now, I'm going to throw them away in 1 minute. So I'll wash this later. Let me just go straight to my juice. Let's go straight. Okay. So right now I'm done with my fruits. I've already finished extracting the fruit from the juice from the fruit. So right now I'm going to set it and show you the outcome of it. So that's what I'm about to do now. So this is my grapefruit, the grapefruit juice. Wow, I don't know if it will get to soak up. Okay, so this is the grapefruit juice. Wow. So this one, and why this one is the carrot juice. So I'm going to be adding it here. So this one is the orange juice. So I'm going to and this one is another red orange juice. Wow. So these are my juice. Go down there. So these are my fruit juice. They are all ready to go. Wow, I want to have a taste of it. guys. Natural, no sugar. Wow. So I'm done today with my fruit juice. So thank you for joining me. See you next time in my next video. Bye. I love you. Please try and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell. I always drop a good comment at the end of the video after watching my video. God bless you. See you all next time. Bye. I love you all. Bye.